Sunrise over the apple trees, hoofbeats running with the breeze, lasso swinging quick and free. Giddy up, let's feel the spree. Fields of gold and sky so blue, all the ponies know what to do, working hard from dawn till night. Apple pie tastes just right. Hey y'all, let's ride all day underneath the sun's bright ray, kicking up some dust and hay, living life the country way. Strong and true with every stride, pony pride we wear inside Orchard Road.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you are new here. And this time I am working on the Patsy blouse by Charm Patterns for Ryan's Applejack cosplay. Now, in one of her magazines, she did go over how to shrink down the adult size patterns in order to fit a child. And I did shrink this down by 5 to 7%, and here in a second you will actually see the 1-inch test square to see that it has been shrunk down just enough to be able to fit Ryan, and it actually fit her perfectly. I didn't have to do any other adjustments to the pattern. I did select a 2A bust for the Patsy blouse, and it ended up being perfect to fit her. I did also turn around and make a skirt for her, but I just used a old pair of stretchy jeans that she had, and I cut the legs off of that right at the crotch level and used the legs to create this pleating around, and then added the lace at the bottom. The little apples that you see on the side, I did go ahead and embroider those onto this for her. And if you hear my cat in the background, I apologize. I have 4 cats, and I believe that is Cat. We have a cat that we named Cat. We just thought it was funny, so maybe here soon you will see her on the channel. I'm not going to go fully into how I made the shirt. The instructions within the pattern are wonderful for making this. But I am showing you how I did most of it. I did not finish it because I almost ran out of time to get this ready for Halloween for Ryan. All of the music within this video was AI generated by putting in Applejack theme song. And then I also did a song that Applejack would listen to. That is the song that you heard at the very beginning of this video. I'm not going to do a lot of talking today, and that is mainly because it's pretty self-explanatory, and I just wanted to share my newest project that I made. I am getting back into the swing of things and getting back into sewing. I've got some plans coming up, and I'm hoping that in the new year that we will have quite a bit. The Applejack Cutie Mark embroidery I am going to be uploading, and I will have it down below where you can download that. It is free, but I wouldn't say no to a donation for that embroidery that I ended up creating. I also show where I painted the pair of boots. Almost everything in this outfit was either thrifted or it was a bedsheet. As you can see right here, the main part of the blouse has been used as a old bedsheet that I had. The only thing that I bought new for this was actually the green fabric for the yokes on her shirt. That was bought new because I couldn't find exactly what I wanted. But the pants that were turned into the skirt were a pair of old pants that she had that it still fits her, but I just went ahead and cut those up. The boots I picked up from Goodwill along with the hat that you saw her wearing. And actually, I lied. I did go ahead and buy her a blonde wig for this one, but that is a wig that she will be able to use whenever. And I do plan on, as she grows, remaking this Applejack cosplay for her so it grows with her. But the shirt, almost everything about it was either thrifted, I had already owned, and things like that. I will say, I actually do like Dollar Tree's, what is it called? Interfacing. I do actually kind of like the interfacing from Dollar Tree. This is the lightweight interfacing, and it worked great. It really surprised me at how well it worked. You'll see Ryan's little hand here in a second as I hand her this. She wanted it to look kind of creepy and kind of like thing reaching in to help in the long run. There you go.
Yep.
My hair has grown out quite a bit. It is still a dark color but I no longer have that purple streak. We've got a lot going on with the family. I've been in and out of depression, but things have gotten a lot better. I am actually wanting to sew again. So for the rest of the video, I'm not going to keep chatting and boring you with chit chat, because it's pretty self-explanatory on how to do the shirt. And if it's not, it is actually really well written in Gertie's instruction book for making this pattern. I hope y'all enjoy the music that I made using AI, and y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.
Sunrise over the apple trees, hoofbeats running with the breeze, lasso swinging quick and free. Giddy up, let's feel the spree. Fields of gold and sky so blue, all the ponies know what to do. Working hard from dawn till night, apple pie tastes just right. Hey y'all, let's ride all day underneath the sun's bright ray, kicking up some dust and hay, living life the country way. Strong and true with every stride, pony pride we wear inside. Orchard road so wide and grand, we're the best in all the land. Friends and laughs, we got a lot, never caring what we've not. Hearts so big, they just can't hide. Together, let's enjoy the ride. Hey y'all, let's ride all day underneath the sun's bright ray, kicking up some dust and hay, living life the country way. Every stride, pony pride we wear inside. Orchard road so wide and grand, we're the best in all the land. Friends and laughs, we got a lot, never caring what we've not. Hearts so big, they just can't hide. Together, let's enjoy the ride. Hey y'all, let's ride all day underneath the sun's bright ray, kicking up some dust and hay, living life the country way.